It's late afternoon here in Rochester. A little bit of sunlight emerging. Rainy late afternoon in spring and May. Pictured is the Dryden Theater. The Eastman Kodak founder was a movie enthusiast, and that is a movie house. It's been open to the public for quite a long time now. Archival movies are shown, historic movies of every ilk, from zombie movies to westerns to action to documentaries. Here in the sunken garden, white is the dominant theme. The viburnum are fragrant this spring, very, very beautiful. Beautiful layout, a traditional garden room that's access based on the building. Mahoney is an early spring bloom. It's always a favorite to see. Oregon grape holly is another word for this variety. It's not 100% hardy in this, probably about zone 6 USDA, but it's sure pretty. It doesn't get too big because of the winter conditions, is my guess. Looks like some relatively new bulb plantings that are lovely. Nice variety of bulbs. Shade trees are beginning to leaf out. There's some lilacs that are blooming. Rochester is known for its Highland Park lilac collection, which I think is the largest or one of the largest in the U.S. The lilacs are a favorite in this upstate city.